The Judicial Service Commission has recommended Supreme Court of Appeal Judge President Mandisa as the next Chief Justice. She beat 3 other candidates, that's Acting Chief Justice Raymond Zondo, Gauteng Judge President Dunstan Mlambo, and Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. President Cyril Ramaphosa will ultimately make the decision on who gets the position.
The Judicial Service Commission has been meeting for the past 5 days. The first 4 days was occupied by interviews of 4 candidates who were lined up in alphabetical order. This being the 5th day was set aside for deliberations. For understandable reasons, the deliberations have taken longer than anticipated. We apologize to those members of the public who have been waiting and members of the media. After much deliberation, the JSC has come to the decision to recommend that the President appoints Justice Mandisa, the President of the Supreme Court of Appeal, to be the next Chief Justice of South Africa.
Now, if President Cyril Ramaphosa accepts the recommendation, Maya will be the first ever female Chief Justice. During her interview, she was asked if South Africa was ready for that. This was her response.
Is South Africa ready for the appointment of a woman Chief Justice? I don't know if your answer is South Africa has always been ready. Perhaps there are those who are vested with the powers may not have been ready.
You know, well, thank you so much for asking that question, JP. Look, I fully appreciate the sentiment behind it. I respect it. But I don't think it's a proper question to ask because it implies all sorts of negative things. But short answer is South Africa has always been ready to have a female Chief Justice. At inception, as you point out, we had strong, capable women. In the Constitutional Court, we had Justice Mokgoro, we had Justice O'Regan, and we know them, what they're capable of. And in other courts as well. So there's never been a shortage of women who could take up leadership in any of the ranks of this institution of ours. Yes. And I'll tell you this, that question actually annoys a lot of women. And I've had people ask, was it ever asked if South Africa is ready for a black Chief Justice, and if not, why? Why are we asking about women as if we are this homogeneous, this special group that needs to be done a favor? Just you keep checking if they are ready, and then at some stage you think, oh, maybe now. No, that's not who women are. We're as capable as men.